Discover 7 incredible uses of castor oil. Castor oil, extracted from the seeds of the castor oil plant, has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable health and beauty benefits. This versatile oil is packed with nutrients and compounds that make it a go-to solution for various needs. In this video, let's delve into 7 amazing uses of castor oil that you must know about. 1. Nurturing hair health. Castor oil is a potent ally in nurturing hair health. Its unique blend of fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals nourishes the hair follicles, promoting growth and thickness. When massaged onto the scalp, castor oil improves blood circulation, ensuring essential nutrients reach the roots. Its humectant properties seal in moisture, preventing dryness and brittleness. Additionally, its antibacterial and antifungal properties combat scalp infections like dandruff, leaving your hair stronger, shinier, and more resilient. 1. Elevating skincare. Castor oil is a powerful ingredient for enhancing skin care. Its emollient properties make it an excellent moisturizer, deeply hydrating the skin and improving its texture and softness. The high concentration of fatty acids helps restore the skin's natural moisture barrier, maintaining optimal hydration levels. Moreover, its antimicrobial properties make it effective in treating acne, reducing inflammation, and fighting free radicals to diminish signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Regular use leaves your skin nourished, smooth, and glowing. 1. Strengthening nails. For stronger, healthier nails, castor oil is your go-to remedy. Its rich nutrient content, including vitamin E, proteins, and fatty acids, nourishes the nails and cuticles, improving their strength and appearance. Regular application moisturizes and hydrates the nails, preventing dryness and brittleness. Its antimicrobial properties also protect against infections, promoting the growth of resilient nails less prone to damage. 1. Relieving constipation. Castor oil has long been revered for its effectiveness in relieving constipation. The main active component, ricinoleic acid, stimulates intestinal muscles, promoting bowel movements and alleviating constipation. When consumed in small amounts, it softens the stool and facilitates its passage through the digestive system. However, it's essential to use castor oil sparingly and under healthcare professional guidance to avoid dependency or complications. 1. Supporting eyelash and eyebrow growth. For fuller lashes and brows, castor oil is a natural and popular remedy. Its nourishing properties moisturize and strengthen hair follicles, promoting thicker and longer lashes and brows. Regular application penetrates the hair shaft, providing essential nutrients and protecting against breakage and environmental damage. With consistent use, you'll notice significant improvements, enhancing the natural beauty of your eyes. 1. Soothing muscle and joint pain. Castor oil's soothing properties make it ideal for relieving muscle and joint pain. Its anti-inflammatory effects reduce inflammation, alleviating discomfort and stiffness. Massaging it onto the skin penetrates deep into tissues, providing relief from soreness and promoting relaxation. Its analgesic properties can also alleviate joint pain caused by conditions like arthritis. By applying castor oil to affected areas, you'll experience soothing relief and improved mobility. 1. Promoting wound healing. Castor oil is invaluable in promoting wound healing. Its unique properties soothe and nourish damaged skin, accelerating the recovery process. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation, while its moisturizing effect keeps wounds hydrated, creating an optimal environment for healing. Additionally, its antibacterial properties protect against infections, aiding in faster healing and minimizing scars. Is it safe to use castor oil daily? While castor oil offers numerous benefits, it's not recommended for daily use over extended periods. Daily use may lead to product buildup or disruption of natural bodily rhythms. Consulting a healthcare professional for personalized guidance on usage frequency is advisable. Potential drawbacks of castor oil. Despite its benefits, castor oil may pose challenges in application due to its thick consistency. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions or skin irritation, so conducting a patch test is essential. When consumed orally, castor oil can cause gastrointestinal discomfort, dehydration, or electrolyte imbalances if used excessively. In conclusion, castor oil is a remarkable natural remedy with a myriad of uses, from enhancing hair health to promoting wound healing. When choosing castor oil, opt for a high-quality organic product to ensure optimal results. Embrace the power of this incredible oil and unlock a healthier, more beautiful you. Please like and subscribe for more good information for you and your loved ones.